great to see that VERTO has actually executed this conference this time round. Been fantastic bringing all our new contracts and places together. Great chance for us all to get to know each other and learn a little about what we do.
Thanks to VERTO for inviting us to their conference in 2026. We've had a fabulous time presenting today. We've done work with VERTO in the past. We've always found them great people to engage with. Today's been no different.
Very inspirational, very inspirational. No hill is too high to climb.
Networking, seeing people, putting names to faces, actually meeting people, realising that we've got such a fantastic company and I work with great people. It's just been very eventful.
I just won a very lovely award. How did I feel? Very honoured and privileged, and just the acknowledgement of your peers after 19 years of service. I've always felt a sense of belonging, a sense of acceptance and value. And tonight, even more so, I've just felt very loved.